Hey everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today let's check out Sunflower Land and open a few treasure chests. Sunflower Land is a play-to-earn farming game where you plant and sell crops to earn flower tokens. You can use the flower tokens to buy NFTs or cash them out on the base blockchain. Select the globe on the bottom right of your farm and select the plaza as your destination. At the plaza, walk up past the town monument and take a left. Now walk to the end of the road. The chest should be next to the last house. The chests give you rare NFTs, food, diamonds, or supplies. Hopefully I get some diamonds. Blueberry jam. Oh, come on. I don't need any damn blueberry jam. But I'll take it anyway. Nice. I got 10 fishing rods. I could use those. 5 pirate cakes. Not bad. Not bad. Hopefully I get some diamonds. Okay, I still got 3 keys left. Great, 1,600 coins is good. Fantastic. I got 40 gems. You use gems to speed up cooking time, for upgrades, and to feed the animals. Okay, next let's head to the beach to open the rare chest. Walk left, go down and walk left into the beach. The chest is along the path to the mermaid coral. The rare chest gives out better prizes. Let's see what we get. Hooray, I got 100 gems. That's fantastic. Another bundle of gold coins, I'll take it. I only have a couple rare keys, so that'll be all for now. Next time I will show you how to earn keys and what crops to farm that are the most profitable. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.